Hello, my name is Kelly, and I am the manager in the Contribution Accounting Department at the Ironworkers Mid-America Fund Office. Are you an employer still making your monthly contributions by mailing a paper check? Let's talk about how you can make that transaction safer and more accurate and possibly less expensive. The Mid-America I-Remit system has been available to all employers for use since 2008 and makes reporting requirements more convenient. By signing up, you will reap many of the benefits our website offers, like saving time, money, and stress. Over the years, we have had many employers suffer from check fraud when mailing in the benefits. Some have taken on the burden of overnighting the benefits at a substantial cost. Thankfully, our website is free to use with no costs associated with our ACH direct transfers. For example, suppose you are currently using the overnight or 2-day service that costs $25 per mailing. Signing up for I-Remit will save your company $300 per year. To get started, you will need to contact our office for the company's username. We will ask you for a general email that will be used to link the company to our system. This email will be used to send our new multi-factor codes. This added security helps identify the user and makes it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access the account. We do have the option to add multi-users that can be linked to different email addresses if needed. Once you have received the username, please go to our website, www.iwmidamerica.com. On our main page, please click on the Employer button located below our menu options on the left side. This will take you to the login page. Since this is your first time, click on the link Reset Activate Your Password. The next screen will prompt you to enter the username we provided. A password link will be sent to the email given. Click on the button that states Reset Your Password. Please make sure your password meets the requirements listed. If the password is accepted, the system will take you back to the login page for you to enter the username and password. After you log in, a multi-factor code will be sent to your email. Please note that it may take several minutes for the code to come through. If not received, you can click on Resend Code. This code is valid for 10 minutes. At the main menu, please be sure to input your banking information. If this is not entered, you will not be able to pay via ACH. On the main menu, click on Create New Remittance Report and hit Continue. Enter the work month and year you will be sending in and click Continue. The next screen should list the locals available for the company. If you are missing a local on this screen, please call or email the Contribution Accounting Department. We will have the local set up in a matter of seconds. Locate the local you want to start with and click on Continue. You will be brought into a more detailed screen with multiple agreements listed. If the company signed the local's regular collective bargaining agreement, please select the first option. This will calculate for all the funds owed under that agreement. However, if the company falls under a special agreement, make sure to select the one that fits your situation. If you are unsure, you can always reach out to the local or the fund office. As with our manual reporting forms, your signature is important. In order to move forward and start entering your remittance, you will have to agree to the certification clause. Now you are ready to enter your first remittance. In the new employee box, input the Social Security number. If the number is correct, their name will appear. Please make sure the name matches, as there are cases where family members may be one digit off from the other. If you receive a warning that the number does not match, if it's a new member, continue to add their name, otherwise confirm that the number is correct. If you are unsure, please reach out to the Contribution Accounting Department and we can attempt to confirm if they are new or not. If the member continues to work for the company and that local, his name will appear each month until he has no work. After you add all the individuals, you can now enter their hours and gross wages. Click on Calculate and Save. At this point, You can review the amounts of the contributions for each fund to make sure there are no differences. If anything seems off, please contact the Contribution Accounting Department. Clicking on this option will also hold it in the section on the main menu under Continue Working on an Unfiled Report, so that you can come back to it later to make any changes. Before you complete your report, please make sure to click on the link below the company's name and address that says "Click here to view rates and mailing information." This link is important as it lists the last 3 years of rates as well as all the mailing addresses for the different entities. You can leave this up on your browser or print it out so that you know where your additional payments will need to be mailed. If everything looks great, please select the ACH option and the date you would like us to request payment. After you submit it, the report will automatically load to our office. There is nothing more that you need to do for the fringe benefits or the Mid-America Pension and SMA funds. On the confirmation page, there is a PDF link for you to click on. This is where you will have the option to print out the report. The report is broken down into 2 or more pages. The first page is what the ACH amount is for on the funds we are contracted to collect for. The second page is what is owed to those additional offices and why the mailing link is important. Any pages after will be the listing of the members and their hours. Please make sure to send the full copy of the report to all the additional offices where you will be sending payment. If for any reason you make a mistake and need a report voided, please reach out to us and provide the receipt number. This takes seconds for us to void the receipt. You can always go right back in and redo the report. 0 hours will be processed the same way, only you do not have to list any of the individuals. Once you are in the remittance area, click on Calculate and Save, and then click on Submit. If you know the company will not have any work for some time, we have a Final Report checkbox located above the remittance area. Click the box and proceed the same as you would for a 0-hour report. This will flag us to deactivate the local so you do not have to worry about filing each month. At any time you need the local back to submit benefits, it can be added within seconds. Finally, there's a Report History tab located on the main page. Every report the company submitted online will be in this area. This is good for audit purposes and a reliable source for quicker retrieval of documentation. If you need more information, you can contact our office at 708-474-9902, extension 4 for the Contribution Accounting Department.